my electric water kettle that I use every morning. I want to show you how I clean it because the hard water deposits get on the bottom, as you can see, and it doesn't affect the taste at all, but it kind of just looks grimy. All right, so here we go. I have filled my water kettle with water from the sink, and now I'm going to add distilled white vinegar, and I'm gonna press the button so it can start boiling. It'll probably take about 8 minutes to clean, and all the hard water deposits will completely be removed.